Please, everybody calm down. Everybody calm down. It is I, your Prime Minister Justin Trudeau. I'm here to let everybody know that we have ordered the Loud Pack from the Bodega Boys conglomerate. They have the Loud Pack on deck, Matsui. It is on deck. It will be here overnight. Everybody, please calm down. No, fuck you, eh? I'm trying to get twisted, eh? Fuck out of here, eh? I'm trying to listen to the LeBron Drake interview while I'm smacked, eh? Come on, man. You're fucking up my flow. Yeah, that's right, man. I'm trying to eat some poutine while I'm smacked, bro. What are you doing, eh? Come on, man. You're fucking it up for the six, man. Yeah, that's here in Vancouver. Yeah, we got clean needle exchange, but we still need that Loud Pack. Yeah, come on, man. Come on, please. Okay, please, people, calm down. Please. If your gut's hurt, please report to your nearest hospital, emergency room. Remember, healthcare is free. The Loud Pack, on the other hand, is not. It is coming at a premium. It is Bodega Boys, Bush. You know what I'm saying? We don't smoke that Reggie on this side. You know what I mean? Yo, free Drake. Do the drop. This is episode 131. I apologize for everybody. I apologize for the shortage of weed. I'm sorry. I'm gonna go away now. I'm gonna cool socks. Bye.
Milk Studios. I let us smoke weed in the studio. That's why this is happening.
All right. Shout out to live from Milk Studios. Shout out to Red Bull Studios, from a beloved home. And now we are at Milk. So if you're lactose intolerant, you know what I'm saying? You know, I don't want to talk about lactose. I'm talking about in the streets without the toast. I'm talking about actual milk. Like, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Taxstone. You know what I mean?
Free the homie.
Free the homie. Who's apparently tweeting. I don't get it. I don't get it. Yeah, listen.
Hey.
What Department of Corrections allows.
Hey, that's all them.
That's all them. You know what I mean? Just here to make a humble podcast. Shout out to Square Cash. Shout out to all the sponsors.
You know what I'm saying?
But shout out to Milk. Beautiful studios. We're in like some rich person's unfinished basement.
Fam, there's Gucci furniture in here.
Yeah, well,
custom Gucci furniture in here, fam.
There's guitars on the wall. Like if you were
crazy.
Like, if you were in like a hip hop A&R's office.
Yo, this is like.
There's a piano and a drum.
This is a guidance counselor's dream.
It's like the studio I'm gonna have for my kids when I beat them to play music like the Jacksons. You know, I get tired. Wake them up at 5. Like, yo, play your scales.
Yo,
you know what it is.
Fuck that. Mero Jr. on the drums will be like, yo, you Tito Puente nigga or nothing.
1, 2, 3, go. He's doing the fuck. He's playing the drums and shit. He's got blisters on his hands.
Calluses and shit. Like,
I'm like, you gotta pee on them. Pee on the calluses. That's how you get the thick pads. How do you think Gloria Stefan did it?
Come on.
Gloria Stefan just peeing on her hands.
Yo, you shake Gloria Stefan's hand. This shit is like a fucking paw.
Gloria Stefan and Jorge Posada have the same hands. Just rough. Could crack lobsters open with them.
You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, fuck that. Oh, you need that walnut crack? Give it here.
Shit. A lot of things going on this week. Oh, so what can we start with? I mean...
Yo, fucking Bodega Becky out here wilding, you know what I'm saying?
We can't be giving people cute names, though. They're gonna, you know what happened? If we keep giving white people cute names like Bodega Becky and Gentrified Gail and all that shit.
Gentrified Gail?
One of them is going to take the name and put it on a t-shirt and license it.
Oh, my God.
And how sick are you going to be when this is like... Flatbush Fatima.
Flatbush Fatima
has the bedazzled t-shirt.
Jumping on the dollar bin.
Like, yo,
like the
get out my neighborhood. So no, can't do that. And I think white people just doing it for fun now. Like it's cool. It's like a viral video. It's like, yo, I'm gonna go to the concert so black people go viral.
Yeah.
Put on your Facebook, be like, yo, I got 86 likes. Oh,
yeah, that's right. You tell them.
You tell them, Ma.
Yeah.
You tell them, Big Ma.
Yeah.
What's Trump doing? Oh, Trump's banging with the Saudis, even though they killed that journalist. He was like, yo, niggas die every day.
He's like, yeah. I mean, were you there? I wasn't there. Were you there?
You wasn't there. How you know?
Did you see this shit?
How you know?
You hashtag you wasn't there, my G.
Okay.
So I didn't. I mean, you're talking brazy right now. You know? I don't understand why you think you can go.
Also, that's
like
a different country. You know, niggas end up dead. Like why mind your business? We don't know the customs.
Fact, it was at Turkey. What the fuck do I have to do with Turkey until November? Nothing.
Gobble, gobble, bitch. Nigga knock over the mic and run out. Nah, they were saying that your man, the recipe Jamal, the reporter, they said he was alive when they was like cutting his fingers off and shit.
What?
Yeah. And they have a recording and the dude, one of the Saudi niggas was like, was like, y'all gonna get me in trouble? Don't do that in here.
Wow.
Oh, that's what I say when you're graffitiing in here. All right, if you over here torturing people, cutting off fingers, I'm not. I'm creeping out the room.
Yeah,
I'm like, I'm
like,
out.
yo, I got nothing to do with this shit. I wasn't there.
Imagine you walk in the room and you just like, oh, you guys had this. Oh, we had conference room 4.
Oh shit. Okay.
Niggas just close the MacBook and walk out slowly. Like,
my bad.
Ooh. Oh, we had to. Oh, okay.
Oh, damn. Okay.
You not gonna finish that crafty?
You were going to put on blood to get a kind bar.
Niggas just walk in, grab a bagel, like, oh shit.
Next to a nigga's head.
Nigga cut a donut in half and just put it back. Like, I don't. I'm watching my weight.
Don't want to go overboard.
Oh man. Milk Studios. They should make everything in here out of milk.
That'd be lit.
How long would this be before it smelled bad?
Probably like an hour.
You know what the worst smell is? Because you worked in a school. You know that area
yes.
where all the milk containers are kept? And then you got the bag with the little milk.
Fam. Yo, fam, you have showed me every disgusting, horrific, like, live leak video in existence.
That's me, Lively Dan.
I am going to
Want to
one-up
see
you.
someone lose their brains? It's me, Lively D.
Yo, I'm going to one-up you right now. One time I was coming out of the school and that fucking dumpster full of the rotten milk got hit by a kid and splashed in my face. Like, and it was the most foul feeling I ever felt in my life, dog. Like, I got, like, childbirth blood on my hands, and I was still not as grossed out as a rotten, disgusting chocolate.
Because that milk is just, and then like if it's like summer school and it's hot.
Nigga, it was June. It was like June 23rd.
It's just sizzling on the asphalt. Like, this is gross.
The top open, nigga, just rats and shit jumping in there like, yo, macking. Saying, like,
the rats got on like fucking. They got on Bermuda shorts. This shit is like a water park for them.
Like, yo, come on. There's like other rats in there with nitro uniforms on, like building houses out of
the rats got a fucking milk lazy river just going around like, yo, this shit. Bob, I told you we needed a vacation. You were so stressed. Like, oh shit.
He Kalahari.
I'm like, so goddamn snowbird and mice. We got a house in Boca. We just go down there.
That shit was disgusting.
Gross.
It's making every part of my body tingle in fear.
Speaking of school, shout out to my nephew Miles, who was selling candy.
Yo.
That rip-off thing.
Yeah.
I got in a lot of trouble when I was in 4th grade because...
You ate it all?
No, they switched up the program, and they were just like, yo, you could either sell candy and put the points of selling the candy towards the books in the prize book.
Yeah.
Or you could take $2 off each bar of candy you sold. So as a kid, I was like, yo, so if I could get these crappy toys if I like do the whole amount, or I could just take $2 off each one, and then the third option appeared, and I was like, well, if I just keep all this fucking money?
Yeah. Fuck.
But the problem was, it was like my parents had sold people chocolate, my sister had bought chocolate, and I had mad money, and I was like, you know what, fuck this.
He's got that little paper with the mad orders on it. You're like,
throw that shit out.
Like Bobby Schmurder's hat.
Like, yo. So I'm like, all right, cool. I'm like, because in my head, I'm like, who? I was like, yo, adults got mad money. They got no $7 missing.
Nah, not at all.
Fam.
To like pull up.
Fam.
For that 7.
After like 2 months, there's one lady, my mother's one coworker, Betsy, old bitch. She keep hounding my mother like, what's up with the chocolate?
What's up with my butter toffee?
What's up with chocolate o'clock? Where's the chocolate? So my mother's like, what happened with the chocolate? And I was like, it's like panicking like a little kid does.
Fam, you know what's crazy too? That like there's nowhere to find that shit either. So you can't. It wasn't like you could run out and just like go buy it and then bring it back.
I wasn't trying to buy it. Fuck that. I heard the money was long spent. So no, there was a earthquake in California. It was on the news. It was like a bad earthquake. So I was like, oh, the chocolate factory was in California, got destroyed in the earthquake. And my parents was like, yeah, you're getting beat. You're getting beat and you're giving back all that money. I was like, fuck that. Because that one lady, over $7.
Fake news.
$7. Meanwhile, like I'm in 4th grade, I got the wild drug dealer knot. I just buying everyone ice cream. They're like, how'd you do that? I was like, because I hustle, nigga. I stay ready.
I love the game, nigga. I love the hustle.
How y'all do this 9 to 5 shit every day? Couldn't be me. Nigga just get on the school bus like mad cocky.
Nigga pulls the car out like, I'm broke, baby.
I don't got it, yo. dating some girl every day. I got my boo with a new pencil case. Like, live, baby. Live, baby.
Yo, get the chicken wings and the rice. Yo, you know what I'm saying? Yo, get
you using the manual sharpener? Come on this side of it. We got the automatic shit. Like,
Ma, hold that.
She's like, yo, ma. I mean, it's our anniversary. I got you a little something. Yeah. Pull out the 144 crayon box. Like, pow,
hold that.
Now you got ambrosia and peach.
You got Berciana, ma.
How you feel?
Huh?
These the woke ones. They don't got flesh.
You got fuchsia.
Oh man, schools. Oh, shout out to Treyarch. Is that how you say Treyarch? The
Call of Duty guys.
Black Ops 4.
Yeah,
you did it. You did it. I'm going on record here. Black Ops 4 is the best Call of Duty game since Black Ops 2.
Really?
I swear to you.
Wow.
Some of the shit in it is a little off. They gotta fix. There's a dog you can't kill. This dog, like, you call this dog and you can put 150 bullets into him and he's still gonna fuck you up. And he's like this big, massive pit bull.
It's because white people make video games.
Yeah.
They're like, you can't kill the doggo.
Yeah. But it's a doggo.
He's a good little doggo. He's a good little pupper. You can't kill him.
But the care package system is like completely ruined now. It takes like 2 minutes.
Really?
Like, you throw down the smoke and then it's like you gotta go through like a boarding pass. They gotta go through TSA.
Niggas like, yo, I got clear. Niggas like, nah, I don't work here.
Niggas show you the instructional video. They ask you if you want a drink. You say, man, I'm like, yo, I need my care package.
Yo, just give me the snack box, man. What the fuck?
So your options today, we have an omelet with shaved glass and almonds, or you can get a
chocolate claymore?
ham and cheese sandwich with relish and jelly. You're just like, why? Who eats this?
Why did you put this on
Is
here?
first class food what regular rich people eat?
Yeah. Like, they just try shit. I think they're so rich they've eaten everything in the world, so they just push it together and don't go together. Like, let's put peanuts in a salad.
Sounds good to me. Sounds good. Hey, is it 7 a.m.? You know what that calls for? A cold crab salad. Like, no, thank you.
Hey, I got a great idea.
What is it?
A kombucha and plantain peel smoothie.
Night. Can I get that in empanada form? Like, holy shit. They were complaining about first class food. Meanwhile, in the back of the plate, they throw peanuts straight at your face. They're like, yo, you allergic?
They're like, yo, you want the pretzels? You're like, nah. They just open shit and dump it on your head. Like, fuck you, motherfucker.
They get the jar of peanuts. They put it in their hand. They wait for the plane to rise in the air. And they throw it in the air and let niggas fight over it. Nah, they don't treat you right. They be like, yo, you thirsty? Here's a half a Coke.
Yeah, stupid.
Here's a half a Coke. Enjoy.
Yo, here's a glass that's too small to fit this whole can of Coke in, so you got to balance a half a can of Coke on this stupid little shaky table.
By the way, that little cup holder shit ain't doing it, so you're going to have to put your hand there.
All.
Oh, you were using your MacBook? Yeah, guess
Good
what?
luck, asshole.
Fold it up.
I hope your MacBook came with a cup holder, you piece of shit.
Hey, I'm not getting that cup for like 4 hours. And then why does okay?
Yo, put the soda in the netting thing. Put the soda in the netting thing. They got dare you.
When you sit 3 across it, like the person next to you is like, I'm not touching his garbage. Oh, what is that? He's got AIDS? I'm not touching that cup. Like, yo, just grab my cup and give it to them.
Like, nigga, I don't order grid cola. Get the fuck out of here,
you just gotta pass it over them. They're like, gross.
God, disgusting.
Gross. It's nastier than school milk.
Oh.
Yeah.
I learned that I'm traveling by myself. People do that, and then when you travel with kids, they're like mad, like, "Oh, okay, yeah, I'll take that." Like, I passed somebody a diaper once, and I was like, "Damn, nigga, you committed." I was like, "Ew."
Oh, you better
now
than me.
I'm like nervous. Like, now I don't know about you. Like, I don't know if I want to sit next to you on this flight now.
I don't travel with kids, but like if I'm traveling,
Didn't you go to Florida?
Yeah,
You had to change a diaper. Isn't that like an hour and a
in
half?
flight. Yeah, because homie,
And you passed him the diaper, so you were in your seat.
Yeah.
That's bad.
Took him to the because
That's
I was
bad
like,
parenting because I would have just told the kid, all right, you gotta hold it until you get off the plane.
You gotta just sit on that shit.
You gotta give him the stern look. Like when you still making that face like they make you. Excuse you. Excuse you. What you do?
Nigga gave me that same face that the cats give you when they shit, and he just looked at me. He was like, This shit is coming, man. Nigga, wait.
Nah, you got
ready or not. Here it comes.
From early on, you got to take their face and rub their face in the...
rub their face in it?
Dyfus is writing this down. Like, okay, all right.
Okay. Oh, you hit him in the nose with a newspaper? All right, okay. All right. Okay.
Make him roll around the wet spot. They get to be 15 years old. You're like, oh, shit, this is parenting dogs for dummies.
Oh, shit. Oops.
Just got to go in the back and unlock them. They got a chain around their neck.
Sorry. Listen. They're like feral and shit now. like fucking chewing their legs off to get free. I'm like, yo, my bad. Dog, I didn't even know.
Sorry, I was trying.
I was trying my best.
Did you ever think about that? About just, like raising one of your kids in a dark room to see what happens? Just not talking to them.
I'm already scared enough that like my kids are gonna be nuts because I'm a fucking maniac. So I'm like, gonna chill. You know what I'm saying? And try to keep. Have him taking piano lessons.
I respect that.
Doing shit like that because I don't want to get murdered by Menendez by my own kids.
Have you never like put any like subliminal programming in them? Like
all the time.
Like some like
I do
phrase?
they go to bed doing the Clockwork Orange show where I hold their eyes open and I just play like movie clips and weird shit for them.
He's watching Juice.
Like oh.
He's watching Bad Boys. All types of shit. Yo, we got a full house here at Milk Studios.
Gang shit.
Adam in the building. Everybody out here.
Adam out here. Hotel here. You already know.
Shout out to Milk Studios. This is a career progression for us. The brand is strong. The brand is so brolic.
Yeah.
We had the fortunate experience of being the good luck totems at the Knicks home opener.
That's right. And we destroyed the Atlanta Hawks.
We destroyed the Atlanta Hawks, which is not anything to brag about. These were the greatest seats I've ever had in my life, except there was a black man standing in front of me for the whole game.
Whoa! Why? Why was Gary Payton in a fucking Men's Warehouse suit standing in front of us the entire game?
Everyone's like, because he's the coach. I'm like, all right, make the coach stand somewhere else.
Fam, you can't move like 2 steps to your left? Like, come
also,
on,
the face value for those tickets was $6,000. $6,000. I mean, for those of y'all listening, that sounds like a lot. That's nothing. I think we probably spent that the Yankees.
I'm gonna be honest. I probably spent that shit on that jacket.
$6,000. I could spend now on hot dogs easily if you don't keep it funky.
Yeah, I mean, I don't even know how much hot dog cost.
Those seats were a little weird though. They're just kind of like.
I felt like we were supposed to be doing play-by-play.
Yeah,
because they had the fucking computer in front of us. Like, yo, with all the stats, I'm like, I don't give a fuck about this guy's plus minus.
Well, some people do. Art Rumenthal, who was next to me, I don't know who he was, but he clearly was rich and he was very ecstatic. And his wife did that thing older rich white ladies do when they talk to me, where they just smile really hard and like,
yeah.
So
you just gotta start off with like, no, I'm not a rapper.
Yeah.
Like, no, I don't rap.
They're trying to figure out who the fuck I was. Taking a picture and sending it to their friends like, who is
Just
he?
be like, I'm Obama.
They're like, oh, what's a
I would just tell people all types of wild shit. I'm like,
Juice WRLD.
I'm Dasha Polanco.
Hey, you're studying for a role. She's in character. She takes it very serious.
She's a very serious character actor.
She's an actor.
You know what I'm saying?
She's an actress. She's a thespian.
You know what I'm saying?
Even that don't mean she be eating choach.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh man,
don't get it twisted, motherfucker.
Don't get it twisted.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Nike though. Shout out to Nike. Shout out to S23. Shout out to the Delomio events.
Shout out to Aaron.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to Aaron. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to, be sure to pick up the Nike colored Air Force Ones.
Yeah,
we get $2 off of every pair. So, just got an email from Nike. They said, no, the fuck you don't.
Oh,
all right.
Shit.
Well,
Okay. Never mind.
Well,
never mind. All right.
Wow.
We'll walk that one back.
Tinker Hatfield just told me to go fuck himself.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Wow.
Right.
Great. Okay.
It's a beautiful email. The fonts are wonderful.
Yeah.
The layout. Never seen anything like that.
Shit is like in teal and like it was a weird color combination. You're like,
Tinker's having a moment.
Yeah, he is. He's having a renaissance. Yeah. He caught a second wind.
Second wind.
You know what I'm saying? He's ready. He's out.
What's
here.
the first wind? That's just like your normal.
Like your normal shit. Yeah. I always use that word with my kids because I'm like, yo, if you don't put these motherfuckers to bed by 7:30, then they're gonna be up till 3 a.m. because they catch a second wind and they're like, I'm not going to sleep. Fuck you.
Oh, but I'm saying if you give them like a little sippy cup or water with Ray and Nephew, they're not getting a second.
Oh yeah, no.
Again, dry fist.
Yeah, no. Yeah, you're like motherfucker.
Nah, you don't put water in the Ray and Nephew. You put Ray and Nephew, you rub it on their gums. But
that's old school shit.
You gotta listen. Baby gotta go sleep.
I got a lot of Brugal on my gums.
You gotta, you know what I'm saying?
I got a lot of Brugal on my gums in high school.
Cause it's different. Like now, kids gotta go to sleep because they gotta go to school and shit. But like back in the day, kids had to go to sleep because they had to wake up and go work at the fucking sugarcane factory at 3 p.m. and shit. Just mad toddlers waiting for the dollar van. Like, where's Stanley?
Yo,
they got a little lunch pail.
It's one nigga with a little crutch and shit. Like your man come dap you up, he got 3 fingers.
He's like,
He's like, I lost this in a spool last week.
Their lunch is like their sandwich and an extra diaper. He's just changing himself. Like,
a cloth diaper with the wall safety pin and shit.
They just throw it all in a pile and then like the pin. Have you ever? When I worked, because I've had every fucking job. when I worked when I was a mechanic, we had those jumpsuits we wore. Like, you didn't take them home; they were there. Like, you came in your clothes and you switched to them, and then when you're done, you just kind of like threw it in a pile, and like some company came and changed them, and that always felt so weird to me because it was just like putting on. Like, you're just sharing clothes with niggas. Even then, as my father would say, you're too bougie to work. But I was like, nigga, I don't know.
How many times fucking Trevor farted?
I don't know how well this shit is getting cleaned and shit.
Like, what if they just put this shit on delicate for like 10 minutes? Like what if they just put it through a rinse cycle with Downy?
And then I found out most people were just bringing them from home, but they had like their wives wash them. So that's different. That's it. But
like, come on, man! Imagine a nigga just Febrezing a pile of filthy ass jumpsuits.
That's
at the
me.
end of the night.
That's me. Listen, I don't got time to be going to the washing machine. My shit gonna be crunchy. I reach up to do an oil change and just like shatter. The whole thing just falls off like a vase.
Niggas spray mad Niagara starch on the shit like.
Brought to you by new sponsor, Niagara Starch.
Niagara Starch. Niagara Starch. Are you in prison and want your shook sharp? Niagara Starch is good for like if you like got visitation. Oh no, that's if you have access to it. If not, you just have to put your like jumpsuit underneath your mattress.
Yeah, to find
sleep
it out.
on it. Remember when Shine was on the cover of Vibes and he didn't have an iron and his shit was all crinkled up?
Yeah, that was sad.
That was a sad moment for the culture.
Was he Hasidic by that point?
Yeah, like
No,
no.
yes,
He came out.
He came out and then yeah.
They started tying the box around his head and all that crazy.
You said tie. Oh, you talking about different tying a box around your head? Because I thought you were talking about some sex shit.
Oh yeah, no.
Nasty.
Yeah.
For our new Pinot line, Hasidicc.
Yeah. We got assassins. We got Hasidicc.
Listen, we can
go to the market, bitch.
Listen.
Yo, we going to Monsi this weekend. Let's go.
Listen, when we do this live show in Israel, and everyone's like, don't go to Israel. We're like, fuck you. Lana Del Rey's like, don't go there, guys.
Guys, seriously.
I'm like, you see this fucking check?
Nigga,
all right, we got Mossad
stupid.
Protection and shit.
Yo.
We out here. We out here.
It's just like 4 bad joints with like ARs. Like, yo.
Your man Mero catches a wild tag on the wailing wall. Like, no.
No, you can't do that.
But when Banksy does it.
Yeah. Oh, then it's art.
Will we lose the Bodega Hive if we perform in Israel? Probably. It depends. I mean, if the check is sick enough, I think they'd understand.
Yeah, they get it.
I mean, there's a lot of dictators. You know, everyone's like, don't go to them. They kill people. But if the check is right,
I mean,
you know
what I'm saying?
Like, what's the code? Like, if say,
like Gaddafi or some shit. Like,
yeah, Gaddafi or whatever.
He's like, yo, I'm gassing all my niggas, but I'm gonna gas you up
for like $2 million a few years ago.
Was he what?
Wasn't Nicki up in Ghana for like $2 million?
Who, Nicki Minaj?
Yeah.
Angola.
Yeah.
She was in Angola.
Yeah. $2 million?
For $2 million.
I was gonna say $10 million. Damn.
She that wasn't a good look. Other people have gone and gotten money. I'm
like
talking
serious.
I'm talking J-Lo. I think J-Lo did some shit.
Something in like fucking Crimea or something.
She did
or like
some
Ukraine.
shit. And you were just like, what?
She's like, everybody say bomb Russia take over Ukraine. Yes.
If you had my missiles, like nah.
No. If you radium and you gave me all your radioactivity.
If you give it for like 3 million, like 300 mil. Listen,
hey, you know that,
I'm coming off the plane with $100 bills stuck in my ears. Like, I ain't hear nothing. I ain't hearing nothing. La 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 la. How y'all feel? How y'all feel? Throw a stack of people. Be like, get out of here, brokies. Get out of here. Yo.
Oh man.
Oh, J-Lo got 13 mil? Oh, she canceled a $13 million birthday show in Turkey.
In Turkey? Oh, because of the whole Turkey shit?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. She's like, yeah, nah.
Beyonce did $100 million to a party thrown by, remember Gaddafi's son?
Ooh. Tragedy?
But then she donated her fee to earthquake relief. Damn, that's fucked up. Imagine you work hard. You're like, yo, like Victor secures this $5 million deal.
Yo, we
and
now hype.
We like, yeah, niggas got this money.
Yo, I don't know what Crimea is, but we in
And
there.
niggas is like, nah, you gotta donate that shit.
Like, donate to what, nigga?
Nah, you gotta donate it to like orphans and shit. The money's not right.
And who's telling us to do that? With what authority?
People are protesting outside of Mike Milk Studios. They're like, how dare y'all perform in Uzbekistan? I was like, yo. Oh man.
Fam, what is the absolute worst country to perform in? Is it like Qatar or some shit? Like some where do they still cut motherfuckers' heads off?
A lot of places. Saudi Arabia.
Right?
Listen, Saudi Arabia be selling. They be selling niggas and be like, yo, we got like soccer.
You know what I'm
we got like shit. Don't worry, shit's cool. Niggas be cutting people's heads off for like driving and shit.
Yo, but bust it. Women could drive though.
Yeah.
So we could like, yo, we not progressive. You feel me?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Because we let women do basic life functions.
Progressive regime. Yes. You know what I'm saying? Your fave could never.
Yo, we even let women go to the bathroom when they want.
That's why.
You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, so we real, you know what I mean? Progressive on this side. You heard?
Well, how come progressive? Oh, it's Progresso.
Progressive soup.
Yeah, I was like, why don't they just sue niggas? He's like, nah, you gotta cease and desist. He's like, yo, he's very progressive. No.
You ain't got no minestrone.
And then they could put like progressive people on the can of Progresso soup.
Oh shit, that's right. Yeah, you have like the Gandhi joint.
Yeah,
with the curry flavor.
You have like Jamila on it. Oh shit. Should be lit. Progresso soup. Progresso soup is kind of sad because it's just like, damn, I want soup, but I don't got no one that loves me to cook for me.
Yeah, that's not like ShopRite can't sell shit.
That's sad. That's sad. You buy that and the White Castles. You can cook in a microwave.
Oh yeah.
And you give your fucking EBT card to the cashier, and she's like, you got $20 left. You're like, thank you. Then you go home, put your boxes over the lamp to dry them out.
Then you trying to figure out what you could buy with $4.78.
Mm-hmm.
Like, damn.
You don't got cable, so you can sit in there. You just watching public programming.
You're like, damn, I've seen this episode of Ghettonomics already, B. Fuck.
Swag.
Like, shit.
Sad. You're like, oh shit, it's 9 o'clock. Let me go collect some cans.
Oh fuck.
Collecting cans is why don't they just make it well, that would raise the price of drinks. All right, I got it.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, that's true. I remember as a kid, they used to send us back to the store with the empty glass bottles to like refill.
How dare you? That's an envase.
Envase?
Yeah.
That's what it's called?
Oh yeah, they got that in Jamaica and all that shit too.
Yeah. That's very efficient.
It's efficient.
You know what I'm saying? Like, why doesn't America do that? Because niggas are lazy. And fucking Vinny Chase came on a show that we previously hosted to talk exclusively about how fucking straws are bad. Mm-hmm. When all anybody wanted to hear you talk about was Vinny Chase and fucking porno models.
Wait, we used to have a show?
Oh shit, that's right. Yeah.
The fuck you talking?
Yeah, we did.
Nigga, you came up with that. The only show we ever did was Joking Off.
Oh, that's right. The Emmy Award nominated and winning Joking Off.
Joking Off.
You know what I'm saying?
Now it's in 10th season.
Yo. It's crazy. It's wild, to be part of something so epic and so like iconic as Joking Off. You know what I'm saying? Like,
I often, like young comedians often come up to me and they're just like, I watched you and Mero on Joking Off, and just like, how did you guys do it?
How did you guys do it?
I was like, listen, just it's like LeBron. Sometimes you just see like an animated GIF from 2006.
That's
and
it.
The caption writes itself, baby.
It comes to you. You know what I'm saying? It's just like a natural. You're born with it or you're not. You know what I'm saying?
Sometimes you see a penguin waddle over and smack another penguin in the back of the head. You're like, ha! I got a joke for that.
I got it.
I got you.
Off top.
How you feel?
I didn't even have to write it down.
Take my shirt off. Take my shirt off.
Yo, you ain't even got to call a joke right in here. B, I got my own shit. Fuck out of here.
Did we even do the intros?
We didn't. But we couldn't.
You know what the problem with the intros? I'm gonna keep it funky. They don't pay extra for the intros.
Nah, you don't.
Yeah, I don't. Why should y'all? Ain't no more free. You get the podcast for free. Now we're doing microtransactions inside
That's right.
the podcast.
In-app purchases.
In-app purchases. You can do that if you want.
Yeah.
So if you want if you would like the intros, you're gonna have to swipe up with your Apple Pay. And
we also accept Samsung Pay.
Samsung Pay.
Your shit might blow up while you try to pay, but fuck it.
Samsung Pay, like if you try to use it, shout out to Samsung, but people.
Hannibal Burns is the only nigga that uses Samsung Pay. Shout out to the homie.
Samsung Pay is wild because Apple Pay, people are like, oh, that's what I know how to use. And Samsung Pay is like, I don't know.
Damn. My man is in the car. Can you wait?
Hold up. Wait.
Can you put my chopped cheese, keep it on the grill to keep it warm while I go and check the manual?
Oh, sad.
Sad state of affairs. Sad. I will say, though, that Samsung makes the best TV ever. Like, I haven't had a TV that was as good as one of those shits.
No. The best TVs are the ones that come from foreign countries and just have like random names.
Like Kawaii?
Or like the Shava.
A Daewoo?
Like, what?
Like Daewoo makes TVs?
And you Google it. It's like the number one TV in Chad. And you're like, all right.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Over 5 5 sold. It's like, what? You wait for the website to load. It's like only 5 sold.
What?
They're like, if you have problems with this, call Gus.
That's not your real name,
I'm
Gus.
like, Gus. And you call it. He's like, hello.
Hello?
I'm like, I'm calling from. Oh, you are number 6, huh? Oh, you
yes.
like the TV?
My name is Gus.
Oh, volume. No, it does not have a volume function.
No.
Next in the update.
Yes,
in the update.
yes.
It's either loud or off.
In 1 month. Well, just 1 month, please.
Oh no. We gotta come out with a line of off-brand appliances for like the third world and shit.
Word.
Like luxury looking shit, but it's mad cheap.
It's mad
we
cheap.
can put them in rent center and stuff.
Oh, shit.
I think the more money we get, we should just become parasites on the community.
That I agree.
Like that. I wanna make like
Capitalistic pigs.
exactly.
Yeah.
I wanna make a project built out of asbestos and painted with lead paint. So-
Yes.
And when they complain, I'll be like, you knew what it was.
You know what it was.
Okay.
You know what it was.
You knew what it was.
And we got to deal with Jacoby and Myers on the side and Salino and Bars on the side. So when y'all sue us, y'all suing yourselves.
Guess what?
Ha-ha.
Guess
We
what?
still eating.
Who's gonna make the first combination prison school? Right there.
Be Excellent Academy. Lock in.
Lock in. All right? Everywhere we go,
people want to know.
got mad little kids in orange jumpsuits and shit.
You should love the right from the fucking Rough Rider anthem video.
Yo.
That's Recess.
Niggas pumping mad eye and shit. Like, stop. Drop.
Set a thumb, open up wood shop. Oh, no. That's how we 3D print arms.
Oh, shit. You know what? Stop, drop, and roll is a scam.
Yeah, it is.
Stop, drop, it.
I've smoked mad angel dust and that never put me out of fire.
Listen, if you're on fire, the last thing you're going to do is think about stop, drop,
Drop and roll, you're gonna be like, oh shit, I'm on fire, nigga. Get some water. Throw that beer on me. You throw straight like fucking Ray nephew on me. I burst into flames.
When I worked in a nightclub, this girl was trying to smoke a cigarette on the low. Like I don't like you're not gonna smell it. Like you're not gonna see the smoke
man,
from
like-
right. So she's trying to smoke, and then
That was a perico.
she caught her pants on fire. And so, like, you know, everyone's panicking. I've seen it before. Like,
Yeah.
at this time, I'm burned out on my job. I don't give a shit
Yeah.
anymore. And I had a beer, and I was about to throw the beer at her.
Yeah.
And this girl grabs my arm and was like, don't throw alcohol. You're going to make it worse. And I was like,
Are you?
if you don't get your Bill Nye the Science Guy ass out of here, girl. Do you not know anything about matters and shit?
This shit is first of all, it's
I'm
a
not
Bud
throwing
Light.
corn liquor on her.
This is a Bud Light, man. It's just gonna put the fucking fire out. And
I really looked at the girl. I was like, what's wrong with you, man?
guys, stop.
Don't throw alcohol. I know about the periodic table and shit.
Oh man, nah, they wildin'.
Nah, you can't be throwing water, though.
You can't be throwing water.
Can't be throwing water.
Can't be
A
throwing water.
lot of fights start with people throwing water and shit.
Yeah.
Like even at the pool. Like at the pool, you splash people too.
Yeah,
That's why I don't
beef.
like I don't like urban pools because you can't just be chilling in the pool. It's just like,
Nah.
all right, they splashed a little too much.
Yo,
splashing too much.
Yo, excuse me. Yo, you splashed my girl. Her contact came out.
She goes to the bottom of the pool, takes out licks and put it back in
Put
her
him
eye.
in some Ron Baker shit. Yo, and motherfuckers will slingshot your girl in the pool with no respect whatsoever. By the way, slingshot is when somebody grabs your girl ankles and throws her up in the air and she falls face first into the water. It's usually very
Nah, you gotta fight if someone does that to your girl.
Yeah, you gotta smack. Yeah,
You gotta fight. You gotta
in
fight
the water.
You gotta. Nah, you know what?
You gotta aquaman it up and
The
fight out the
problem with
water.
the pool is I always feel like people in the pool have a gun in their locker. Especially if you go to like Bear Mountain or some shit. If you go anywhere adjacent to New York, people definitely got the burner. They got because there's no metal detector when you go to Upstate Park.
Nope.
So
Just a lot of orange vests.
you know,
And so I'm like, yo, I want to go. You sure to be like, yo, you want to go hiking? I'm like, you want to go hiking? Like, usually niggas disappear when they go hiking.
nah, no hiking there, baby.
Every time I watch that show, I Shouldn't Have Survived or whatever.
That's a great show.
It's an amazing show. It always starts off with like, my father was an explorer. I wanted to follow in his footsteps, so I decided to follow the Amazon River. Did you see that episode? Yo, that was a wild episode, bro. Like, yo, your man was going down the Amazon, like with like 10% experience, and didn't bring enough food. Ended up starving. found some random stray animal in the woods, and like the shit like befriended the animal. It was like a Disney movie, and he ended up having to kill the animal and eat it. And he's like, I couldn't even digest it. He's like, it made me so sick to kill my friends. Like, it was mad dramatic. I was like, nigga, you should have just stayed at the crib. Like, who told you to go fucking trek the Amazon? What the fuck is wrong with you, man? Like, get out of here.
Oh.
Because your pops did it? Like,
Listen,
my pops fix refrigerators, nigga. You don't see me trying to fix the Maytag in my fucking crib.
Certain experiences aren't like when you go on vacation. There's different types of. There's like I'm gonna sip a Cuba Libre on the beach.
Yeah,
with my tan.
Yeah.
But then other people's like, yo, I wanna go and dangle my feet on the lip of a volcano.
No,
that's not. How's that fun?
That's not vacation.
I wanna go fight a penguin.
That's stress.
Yo,
There's banana boat. There's banana boat, and there's fucking climbing Machu Picchu.
Fuck
nigga.
that. I wanna lick a glacier. Like,
Yeah, no.
Why?
Man, why? Why?
Nothing's worse. The most draining people in life are people who want new experiences.
Oh god.
Like, no.
I don't want to spend money on things. I want to spend money on experiences.
No,
Dog,
no.
Oh my god, I was throwing that out the window just in that shit. I was like, yo, please, no experiences. I was like, yo, we can go on vacations and shit. That's cool. I don't know what experiences.
That just sounds tiring,
It
man.
sounds so exhausting.
As you get older, you just want to get into a rut.
Yeah,
you just want to do regular shit. It's just like, let's go to a new restaurant. No, let's go to the same fucking restaurant we've gone to every night for 3 years.
Because the burrata there is delicious.
Okay, and when I walk in, they know. They're like, oh, you two, how's it going?
Hey, what's
she
up?
want the Bloody Mary?
Usual table. Yes, thank you.
Yo,
fuck out of here.
Let's try. Oh my God, there's a new movie. No, not a new movie. We got Netflix. Why are we leaving the house?
No.
Why are we leaving the house?
Why?
What's wrong with you?
Why?
You always want to do effort and walk places. And, I heard about it.
No, you didn't hear about nothing.
You didn't hear about nothing.
Stop.
You're mute.
You're about to hear this new episode of Ozark. Fuck out of here.
We never go anywhere. I'm like, so go by yourself.
So go. Go ahead, call your homegirl. Go.
You know how exhausting it is to me to be me? I don't go anywhere.
I'm like, yo, I only have there's 24 hours in a day, man. God damn.
Yeah, and a lot of that, I would like to use sleeping, masturbating, and drinking.
Yes.
So,
please.
Black Ops 4.
Let it live. Yeah.
Black Ops 4. Which I know my neighbor was tired about because I was up to like 3 last night playing it.
With the soundbar? Oh, yeah, with the soundbar for like...
Soundbar, subwoofer, the little speakers. My apartment sounds like Fallujah. Okay? Niggas call the cops, and the cops call for backup. Like, yo, he's got Gatling guns
Call
in there.
ESU. Call ESU.
I'm like, yo. Shout out to my neighbors. There's like, because certain neighbors in my on my floor talk to me, like the black people.
Yeah.
And the rest of them are just like, they're just rude.
They just do that.
Hey.
Hi. That tight ass smile.
Or you just be in the elevator with the wild, awkward conversations. Like, oh.
So you're
my dog smells you. I'm like, yeah. I see.
Yeah, that's what dogs.
Elevator slow. Yeah.
So
I brought a jacket. It's kind of cold. You're like, how fucking slow is this elevator?
5?
5? Oh. Hey. Or they're like, you get an elevator with you. They're like, what floor do you live on? I'm like, I live on the same floor as you. We have this conversation every day.
Like,
okay.
Wow. 5. Okay. All right. Well, have a great day. Take care.
No.
Take care.
Don't give me an insincere take care when you get off the elevator. You don't care.
You don't
care. You don't want me to have a good day.
No, you don't care.
We just live in the same building. We're not friends.
We're not friends at all.
I don't really bang with you.
Like this is an immobile Uber pool.
Okay.
Like don't talk to me.
Think about it like this. Just because we're coming out the same building, if say I come out that building and someone OD punches my neighbor in the face, I'm not jumping in. I don't know her. I'm like, maybe you had that shit coming. Maybe. Like, we don't bang like that.
Like that. The most you can get out of me is like, yo, chill. You
wildin'. Leave her alone. She's a woman.
Chill, you wildin'.
That's what you get from me as I walk the other way. Put it in my AirPods.
Okay, so you take one out. It's like cuts off Obama.
Yo, y'all can't be doing that in front of the building.
Yo, you come on, man. See,
people on the first floor got a baby is sleeping.
Stop. He's 2 months old, man.
Put it back in like, yo, text
so you're on Twitter like, yo, niggas is wild and post a video.
You should have got done. Someone add sonic rings to this. You never know. The building's been quiet though, but I'm from judging from the people in there, there's gonna be some like ratchet shit once it gets cold.
Oh, I can't.
Because it's gonna be like niggas like having like people coming over for cuddle parties and like somebody's boyfriend gonna find about like the side dude and shit. I can't wait. Man. Can't wait.
That's the beauty of living in a building. Like, it's just you hear everybody's drama. Like,
I know everyone thinks I'm because every time I walk in, I'm like, "Hey, Charlie." So they think there's like a kid there. I was like, "No, it's my cat. I talk to my cat. I talk to my cat a lot. Talk to the cat. Be like, we should bomb the government." Yeah.
Your neighbor across the street is like, "Oh my god, he leaves his kid at home all day by himself."
And then Charlie sounds like a baby. Like when he keeps meowing.
He's like, meow.
They're like, does he just have a baby on the floor? They're like, yeah, he's a free range baby.
Yeah,
he comes and goes. He can do whatever he wants.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
you know, it's just
Don't worry, he's fixed.
He's altered.
Altered.
That's the term. Like altered beast. Like
rise from your grave.
Altered beast. We got to remake that as a movie. Is that could that make a movie?
Can that even be a movie? Nigga, they made a movie about emojis. You can make a movie about anything.
When they made Rampage the movie, I was like,
okay, anything could be a movie.
Anything. Like y'all just ran out of shit.
Yeah, just throw the Rock in there and that's it. Yeah, let's make a movie. What other stupid fighting game? Let's make a Fatal Fury starring the Rock. You know what I'm saying? You can put him in a blonde ponytail.
Fatal Fury.
You know what I'm saying?
Wow.
Shit would do with the hat and the ponytail. You know what I'm saying? Put him in there. Do another Street Fighter movie. They did a Street Fighter movie, right? And homie died that played M. Bison.
Raul Julia.
Raul Julia, yo,
yeah.
R.I.P. to Raul Julia, yeah. He was M. Bison in this live action Street Fighter film. I'm like, how you y'all really made a movie out of Street Fighter? The shit where you break a car with your feet?
We gotta bring back. We're gonna make a movie out of. Remember Smash TV?
So, yo, that was ill.
Yes.
If Trump wins in 2020, Smash TV is gonna be a real thing. Mark my words.
Smash TV.
Smash TV is gonna be a real thing. Like, they're gonna just corral motherfuckers in there, have them clap each other, have weird robots with like buzzsaws come out and like chop niggas in half
For entertainment.
You just see niggas in this awesome front row, like, yeah.
This arena is full of immigrants. 10 enter, only one can leave.
Only one can leave.
They're fighting for a green card.
That's right.
At first, be like, this is horrible. This is the terrible. Like, why are you dehumanized? Like, they're people. Why are you treating them? Like, week 4, I'm like, yeah, go get him, Julio.
Yo, shit, yo.
Put his arms up,
yo,
yeah.
Julio, no, pick up the axe. Pick up the axe.
Flags like, yeah,
ole. It's Mitch McConnell doing the thumbs up, thumbs down. Nigga takes mad long. He's like, thumbs down. Yeah! Get him!
There's like people protesting. I'm covering my face and I'm walking into the arena.
I'm like, oh, sorry.
They're like, Jesus, are you going to this barbarian? I'm like, no, I'm going to protest.
No, I'm protesting it.
The niggas got us in like the good seats.
In the good seats?
They got the Nike seats.
Behind home plate seats.
So we can't see shit.
Behind death plate.
Yeah, but we can't see because like we're right behind the person like killing shit. Like, get out the way.
Yo, they put us behind the guillotine.
Nigga chop off his ear, flies to the crowd, and take it home as a souvenir. Like, yeah.
It's like a foul ball. They can just toss the shit into the crowd.
People like, throw it back. Throw it back.
Throw a nigga's femur back into the ring. Oh my god.
Smash
Oh
TV.
shit, we're nihilists.
So dark. So dark.
Donald Trump would love to see some shit like that. I like.
It has to be
no
brown
doubt in my
people.
mind.
It has to be brown
be.
people.
Yeah,
He'd
absolutely,
love it. He'd love it.
He probably
I'm not-
watches Apocalypto like, yes, I love it. Zigzag.
You think him and I'm sure him and Mitch McConnell and Jeff Flake and all of them in the the basement of Congress they have Mandingo fights.
Oh, absolutely.
You know that.
Yeah.
They make sure they take their pants off.
Oh yeah.
I want to see the cock flapping.
Yeah, I want to see it flapping around.
Use a knife this time.
Yeah, I just downloaded Dread. I just downloaded Mandingo Massacre Part 9.
Because it's like cupping their balls like, oh, here's a good one. Think he's got the strength for the win.
Oh my
We still haven't done the AKAs, huh?
No, we haven't.
Should we do them? Because now it's weird. Because if we do them now, then we'll do them again at the end. It's just like you just did them.
Yeah.
Should we? Crowd, how do you feel?
How do you feel, crowd?
Crowd, let's hear some energy. Can't hear y'all.
Yeah, what?
I need more energy.
Yeah.
People were saying the crowd at Milk Studios can't rock. I told them that's not true.
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
All right, let's go.
Yo, it's your boy. It's your boy D's Nice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pocket Stay Fat like Cheerio, aka Pocket Stay Fat like Here we go. Every time I say that, I die a little inside.
it's
Chris Nash
well,
was Sling
Kid
Dick,
Bob.
Eli Lipby, Butch Bully Goes, Slow It Down Might Know You Bitch, Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fugo, Mr. Nando's Lorano, 1994 Nueva York, Mikhail going off the Juve Boss,
Oh my
MC Luca
God.
Kumpi, put up for 40 with your shorty. Cash. Hit it off the back where I'm a call back. You know what I'm saying?
Banco Popolare.
AK don't talk to me in the Uber pool.
I don't know
you.
We're not familiar.
Also, you cowards at Uber, you took away my Uber pass. I was getting 20% off each ride. You know I'll be killing the Uber game. Give it back to me.
Give it, yo, Uber,
It's a
yo, just give us
principalities.
some free shit.
Nah, they be tracking you. They watch celebrities when they're in not us. I don't think Uber's watching us.
Never mind.
They like track and see where you're going and shit like that. So, you know what I'm saying? The original +1 God +1 don't make a fuss son. These are Rossi and the Jamaican Jew. Jermaine avocado.
Yeah.
Toast.
Without alfalfa on top.
Jermaine avocado
Take
toast.
Take that, millennials.
Yeah, I haven't actually had avocado toast in a while. It's kind of nasty.
Yeah, because they always give it on that multigrain bread. That multigrain bread
like,
shit is
I
whack.
want
I'm
that
like,
shit,
yo,
man.
give me that shit on like sourdough or something.
Nah, I want that shit on regular, straight up white bread. I want it on the bread they gave you in school that has no nutritional value.
It was just a fucking
The
piece
iceberg
of foam.
lettuce of bread. Yeah. Give it to me just like that. Young Pop goes to Mufasa. Young Chakuni out the Kuni, a.k.a. Chili Limon. Left-handed reliever for the Yankees. Que lo que?
Papi, estamos okay. We fishing, but it's okay because I caught a marling. Ah.
Dephone Jones, DJ Machina, J. Choco Stanley Cups, the Human Dr. Bonner's label. Dilute.
Yeah, 3 times. Don't bring
Don't
your hood
Also,
off.
if you're a boho and you like to get freaky, take a little Dr. Bonner's and then like you pour it on people's chests while they're like tied up, and it's kind of like hot wax.
Hot wax?
Yeah,
Oh.
it's like that.
Oh, wow.
And you play Mind Sex in the back by Dead Prez.
Oh, shit,
yeah.
Wow, Mind Sex is the man. Like, like, yo,
right.
fake woke. Like,
you know what I'm saying? Blindfold your girl and then rub a crouton around her mouth. Like, yeah, how
It's
you like that, ma?
It's the polar opposite of that Tank When We Fuck song.
Roxanne Gay's favorite song. Also, what's that? Shout out to Roxanne Gay.
Shout out to Roxanne Gay.
Oh man, Dion Champion, Mr. 240p because I like my Pinot Balarian. Okay, it's DJ Woolite.
Oh, boy.
Tuned into Washed FM,
WSH.
the most washed station in the nation.
That's right.
Up next, we have 24 hours of a song you played if you were a little white kid going through a breakup a couple years ago.
Hit him with the flow.
Little Iman.
Oh, my God. Oh, yeah. Tell him, Iman. Tell him. I know you can't sing, but tell him anyway. Yes. Tell him. No, I don't. No.
This is sad because he started cursing in it, and it's just like, it was like the most angsty. And it was like, it's like filmed in Staten Island. They got the ferry and all this shit.
He's
like,
been sad. He's just like, fuck you for making me take the ferry.
This fucking broad broke my fucking heart.
I can't believe these shit. She made me think I got on a fucking boat over here. I came from Morris Park.
That's how Julio ended up on the dope. Got heartbroken on Victory Boulevard.
Sad story.
I saw her at the marketplace.
Yo.
She wasn't buying tomatoes. She bought the sauce in the can.
Wait 10 years when fun niggas are winning a fucking Palme d'Or for fucking Victory Boulevard, the film.
I have no idea what you just said.
The Michael Anthony song.
Is that
can? That's what they give you a can, right? The Palme d'Or.
Nobody know what you're talking about, boy.
Yeah, Hunter's like, yeah, word. I'm knowledged.
Oh, she would know.
It is. She's like, yeah, it is.
She's like, I know about film shit.
We out here filming, gang.
The Curry Goat, these spices. Jamal Hasper and the Bronx Celine Dion. Ray Nephew's nephew. The Moreno you cannot contain.
No, you can't.
The human meme, word to Ja. Shout out to Ja. We saw him at the Dick Cave.
Yeah, and he was like, yo,
He
what
was
up?
like, I see y'all. He was like, I see you. Ja Rule, our Lord and legend.
Well, whatever.
Keep ripping off them white kids with the Fry Festival. Yeah. Young Aaron, the racist provocateur. Hedrick Bunkos, Nelson Mandela, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Buffin, the human word, the melting in your mouth, Mr. Bexler, Ricky Chicky Squabby, Greg Popovich, more say just has that. Mahatma Gandhi. I'm not Maccabee.
But he have what?
The cucumber.
Yes.
All right? And leave the skins on it. The juices are pressed, but your boy never is.
Never.
Never.
I'm saying.
Speaking of which, I bought a kale juice, like one of those like little ones. It's been in my fridge all week. I don't know what I was thinking. I don't want to drink that shit.
Yeah, you just gotta chug it though.
Yeah,
it's not enjoyable. It's not enjoyable at all. It's like a B12 shot.
I'm glad you said B12 shot because I thought you were gonna say like swallowing, but okay. I am the art, damn it, the Dundada Ganoush, no more cup of noodles, the Prince of Peck on the Fashion Nova Cast Nova. We made cent, 5 cent, 10 cent, dollar.
No. What you want?
Forget
what
the small
you need?
change.
What you need? What you need?
Give me big money wine.
Yeah. I like the ambiance.
Yeah, I like it. It's sexy in here.
Oh shit.
This is like high school sexy.
Yeah,
like you're gonna put some baby oil on your chest and then like finger pop somebody. Don't after my salute is Dipset. Mr. Sack catch me at square one top left. Chill Rizzuto. Holy cow. Mr. South Plus, all I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ, Purple Stuff, Soda, and it's me, Sonny D.
Oh my God.
David Yerman. This is right by the dirty shoes. Joaquin Noah, Andrew Cool Nana, aka the Junior Energy God Junior.
Yo,
sit down, Parmesan.
Sit on it. Sit on it.
Call me Petco because I got your bitch on freeze.
That's right.
The topic of gossip and Syosip. Catch me at Bounce Trampoline Sports on Michael Drive. I'm bringing Mero's kids.
That's
We're
right.
celebrating a birthday. I'm not paying the upfront fee, and I'm bringing the blicky.
That's
Tell
right.
Security guard, if he wants to see his wife, he better fall back.
And we walk around the metal detectors.
You know what it is.
You know what I'm saying?
They're like, we can only fit like 10 kids in here. I'm like, I got 30.
I don't care.
I brought all the Bronx
I don't
kids.
care. Fuck the fire marshal.
Tell him to fight me outside. AKA Grandpa Joe, because when you see Charlie, you see me.
That's right.
Don't touch that gold shit.
Nah.
I'll let my cat scratch you up. Mr. Shop in that street easy or a bad breeze like I'm easy to believe me. The black Asiatic addict who'll crack your back like an automatic craftmatic, Mr. La Marina Mesh Marina, with a fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor, aka a problematic bae. Let me tell you something. If you put unleaded fuel in your dishwasher, it gets your dishes cleaner.
Oh, shit.
Just science, baby.
I'm going to try that. Fuck Cascade Pods.
You know what those things are? Wait, how long does a dishwasher take?
There's different settings for that shit, and I don't buy it because it's like there's what my shit has like an express setting, and
Right.
I'm not trying to express wash my dishes.
Like,
my
wash
nigga.
the shit on my dishes.
Wash the shit out of my
Wash
fucking
them
dishes.
shits.
Yeah, so the shit takes literally 3.5 hours.
Okay, I thought that was bugging. Because I have never had a dishwasher in my whole entire life.
Same. And when
I've never had a dishwasher.
Yep.
I used it for the first time the other night. And I was like, is this supposed to be like 20 minutes? Like, what the fuck?
What is going on here?
I just turned it off.
Nigga thought it was the Jetsons and shit. You just put the dishes in.
I was like, what? I thought it was like, how you doing, Mr. J? Like, put on the chain line. His boy Elmo. And the sad thing is, I live by myself, so my dishwasher load was 1 cup, like a ramen bowl, and 1 dish. I easily could have washed it myself. I was like, I got the dishwasher.
Fuck that. I got this
Fuck
shit.
that.
I might as well use it. You know what I'm saying? And speaking of being used, no, that was a terrible segue. I don't even know what the fuck.
I don't know what
that don't even make sense.
With this red light and those glasses, that sounds like you about to shoot some weird porn. I do not want to be in the room for.
Mero, you don't have to turn on the red light.
We're just going down that couch and there's like a girl tied up underneath there.
I'm like, sorry.
Mero, the dungeon master.
Podcast over. Bye, guys.
The kid kinky. Yeah.
BDSM, no king shaming. It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Duraf, a.k.a. Donovan McDab, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Skirt loader, jump the motherfucking curve, hit the door, keep it moving. I don't give a fuck. Call Peter, call ASPC, nigga. I don't care, nigga. I'm rich. A.k.a. I know fucking baby, I fucking Ming, my nigga. We in Corner Records. You know what I'm saying? Selling out every show. A.k.a. no need to check the guest list again. I am the guest list. I just got nominated for a Teen Choice Award for Best Snapback. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. CC Dab Bathia, a.k.a. get into the money and the smoke. It's your boy Goldman Schmidt. You know what I'm saying? I got all my kids training with Tiger Woods. Know what I mean? Learning how to drive on wild narcotics. And also a little bit
allegedly.
of golf. Allegedly. You know what I'm saying?
Wow.
Also golf.
Why are you so problematic?
Also golf too. Wow. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Tiger. You know what I'm saying? That's my guy. AKA Bitch Back Me Up, AKA Diego Maradona. You know what I'm saying? I got more. You know what I'm saying?
Rush to my yayo.
Hey. AKA Dick in your bed one time, but you not coming this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me. Okay.
Oh, I like that pussy.
You must bring me a dowry to return the pussy. Thank you. AKA new
You know what?
culture.
Alicia Keys, she should take that song, My Diary.
Oh,
turn it
shit.
to My Dowry.
My dowry. Yes.
Your goats are safe with me. We'll work on it.
Then do the Yes Joel shit and go to Africa and take pictures with mad little kids.
Ooh, look at the problematic light. Ooh, Mero being messy. You let that young white girl take as many pictures with black kids as she wants in Africa. Okay? There's nothing wrong with it. Just saying it out loud.
She's doing the tour.
Just saying it out loud sounds problematic,
like,
right?
I'm going to Congo next.
Man.
Yeah, goddamn. AKA the new coach of the Knicks, David Trisdale. Pow, pow. Nigga, take that for data. AKA Barlow Santana. So smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the zip car.
Sir, you're asleep in the intersection. Sir.
What?
Sir.
What? It's Tuesday?
Sir, let me see your license and registration.
What is that?
Cop just knocking on the...
It's my library card.
Hey, let me see your license and registration, pal.
It's my metro card.
You've been asleep at this light for 3 minutes now.
What?
I watch you.
What is it?
Just got skirt off on the
Why?
cop.
I got scared in the Prius. The Dominican Down Tech Daddy, aka swipe my card again. There's definitely money on it. Put the plastic bag on that shit. You're embarrassing us both. You know who the fuck I am. I was the voice of Rafiki and Lion King, motherfucker.
He's lying.
Don't you recognize me?
That's not you. See, like a role like that, you can't be getting bossy at people's stores. Like, Timon.
Excuse me. Sebastian, hello. AKA Romeo Santos. So Zanny. Let me black out. I hope spread HPV by kissing literally everyone at my concert. I love y'all. We at United Palace. Let's get it.
Allegedly.
Allegedly, yo. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm spicy today. AKA Lightning El Tachi. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that you're broke and sing your vibes. So get the fuck out of here with your back of Mongopia, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? It's not 1996. Keep it moving. AKA Tom Brady, your girl got my balls to flip. AKA Field the Ass Tyson. I want to explore your cosmos. AKA Friday on Messi MVP of Gelato. AKA Zaniel Bedingfield. I ain't gotta get some sticks. AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you to smile with me at Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying?
Do we have to go all the way to Mama Sushi?
Yeah,
Is there nowhere else we can go smoke?
I mean, there's some hookah lounges, but you know what I'm saying? Mama Sushi only got the fusion shoes.
How come there's no coalition to talk about how New York is waging war with against hookah?
That is true. And
is that the stance we should take?
We are starting it. We're running on that platform.
Protect the shirt, protect the hookah.
Protect the hookah.
Hands off our hookahs.
Hands off our hookahs. We're just burning each other with hookah coals.
We are having 1,000 hookah march.
Yes.
Our city hall.
Bring your coals.
Bring your coals. Just burn it.
AKA Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. You pervert, I will recalibrate your salivary glands to dispense Gatorade and do away with the like button on your Instagram so you can stop being thirsty and liking all of Yesenia's photos, you thirstball, dirtbag motherfucker. Wow. Disgusting. I only like Candy's photos because I'm a family man. AKA, I'll be in your medicine cabinet, nigga. Secure your benzos, cause it's the motherfucking Sandman. AKA Rico Sabrosa, AKA Lucius Lion ass nigga, man. Come on, man. Of course I don't know where that cocaine came from, man. Why would I have cocaine under my car seat en route to Virginia, man? Come on now. AKA Baby Newport, 2 for 5 niggas got garbage down the way. AKA Nino Brown, shut the car down. AKA live from Catrona Park selling Coco Helado. It's the East Tremont Stevie B doing all his greatest hits like I Wanna Be the One Your Titi is Fucking and Dope Sick Love, Don't Let Me Lean. You know what I'm saying? And like I said previously in every podcast, mate, there's no more rock stars left. It's only the Bodega Boys, of which I am. The plantain sleeping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont, drinking Henny out the bottle, belligerently screaming out, free my nigga Ness.
Sure.
You know what I'm saying? Free the homie, he ain't do shit. AKA, I met Mike Francesa, I'm never gonna fail.
Never.
You know what I'm saying? AKA, starting at forward, he's got that Xanax, Percocet, Promethazine, and codeine. It's Marmelos Anthony.
Bang.
Falling asleep on the bench. If you see me at Target smacked holding a manager by the collar aggressively suggesting they stock oat milk, approach me like a fucking Ursa mammal.
Someone get security. This guy's wild.
Yo,
we got a 10-40.
I'm lactose intolerant.
We got 10-40. It's a Dominican.
I'm lactose intolerant.
It's a Dominican
I can't drink milk. I can't drink milk.
Tase him.
Oh! I will react radically, motherfucker. I saw fakely interfered SoundCloud rapper. He's high off some weird organic honey Jesse Boykins told me about. And what is this Shout triple action stain remover? Yeah, he's drinking that. AKA Hasan Insane, coño, tírame la pita. ¿Qué fue? Llega el hijo de FIFA, coño, más desacatado, siempre con la bandera alta como la nota, mamahuevo, llega el flow. Aquí, señores y señores, tenemos la verdadera grasa, el motor del show, el que mueve el movimiento. Yo te doy a ti, a tu coro y a todo el que se cruce, ratrero. A mí no me hable de dinero. Yo tengo más cuartos que tú, en el banco y en la casa, mamahuevo. Rana, váyase de mi mesa, lambón. You're not drinking this bottle. Get the fuck out of here. You're not hitting this hookah, motherfucker. Keep it moving.
I just did that thing. People who just moved to New York, when you're on the train and you have your headphones on,
you
hear someone yelling and you like listen, but it's like a foreign language. You're like, okay,
I got it.
I don't know.
I'm trying to make it out.
This nigga yelling about carrots. Fuck this. Last time I go to Baisley. Oh, shout out to all the peas.
Yo.
Shout out to all the projects out there. Shout out to all the pretty girls in the projects.
Yo.
Who, if a guy comes to visit you, he really cares about you because he's risking life and limb.
Risking his life
to see a little badass cousin in the lobby trying to rob him.
Yes.
We all been there.
And you will be robbed by a member of her family. He will not be apologetic whatsoever.
Nah, he'll be like, oh, shit, see you at Thanksgiving. Like, oh, shit, I robbed you.
Oh, shit, I robbed you. What's good, nigga?
Nigga
wearing the same jacket you stole from you. Like,
damn. That was my mama gave me that North Face.
Damn, can I have the buckle at least?
That was my grandpa's Hallie Hansen.
Can I have
my family for years?
Can I Can I have the little backpack?
Fuck that nigga wearing a Gucci belt on your head. Like, nah.
Yo, can I?
Get out of here.
But can I get the fanny pack at least?
Yeah,
Like,
if I robbed you again. They could tell the story at Thanksgiving over the table about how he robbed you and the whole
He's
family
like,
laughing.
yo, with a mouthful of cranberries. I was like, yo, look at this pussy nigga over here. Yo, what I'm thankful for, the shit that I robbed from this pussy motherfucker right here.
Niggas laughing, mad mashed potatoes and shit full. Grandma's like, baby, I heard you was buns. And you're like, oh, Jesus Christ. And it's fucked up because you really like her. And you're like, damn, I can't marry to the family.
I can't do this.
Thinking, wow, bitch.
Yeah, oh fuck, I gotta shoot now.
Your family can't think your girl is harder than you. Like that's off the rip.
No.
And they already know your girl because like she probably grew up like slap boxing with brothers and shit.
Yeah,
so you gotta come in there wild, extra masculine energy.
Yo, you gotta show up to Thanksgiving in some fucking Olas and a fucking guinea tea. Like, yo, it was good.
You can't. Okay, all right.
Oh, shit, it's a guinea tea?
Wow. In the pecking order.
I said I defaulted to white beater. And I was like, nope,
So
problematic.
you said instead of white beater, you said the guinea tea. Wow. That is.
That's like was that a problematic double entendre?
Fam, that's a vintage slur, all right? Like someone had to like they carry that slur around with white gloves, like it's Babe Ruth's bat.
Like some fucking meteorite.
Like it's a guinea tea. Sweet berry and molasses.
You gotta come through with the mechanic suit, like zipped down to your waist and shit, tied around. Like, yo, what's good? Man, phone book strapped across your fucking belly.
Oh, they said guinea tea. Wow, that's a throwback.
Shout out to all my guineas out there. You know what I'm saying? All
Yes.
my proud guineas.
You know what? There's someone on Twitter right now. Proud Guinea.
Yeah, proud
86.
Guinea. Hey, Dahlia, we won the World Cup in 06. What's
We're
up?
taking back the word. We're
What's
reclaiming
up?
it for ourselves.
That's right.
Proud Guinea.
Yeah.
Proud Guinea. Keep on turning.
Love my Nana sauce.
It's Sister Nana with the arm rolled up. Like, yeah. Stand for the flag.
He likes my sauce. Stand up for the fucking flag. Respect the troops.
It's the Italian grandma that got like the mole with the hair in it. You're like, she's really throwing down. I ever told you about the time I gave Mussolini a handy?
Huh? I tell you about that?
She's just like got the wild wooden spoon.
Yeah.
Like, yeah.
I ate Berlusconi's ass.
You know what? See these gums? Stopped World War III.
Yeah.
All right?
That's right.
I was getting it from the Axis and the Allies.
That's right,
all
pal.
night.
All day.
Let me tell you something. Your Nana, she could take a Roger in.
Yeah.
Okay.
Your nana was getting spit roasted like a fucking brajol.
They used to call me old mortar show. You're like,
No, Grandma.
Nah, Thanksgiving.
You wildin'.
I got video. You want to see?
She pulled out the wild, like 35 millimeter film, like she's a silent film. She's like, oh, with a black screen with like a little border around it.
He's doing the Lindsay Hop and shit. She's getting her back blown out on the back of one of those propeller planes.
She getting trimmed by the Wright brothers. God
shit.
damn, bro.
He's got to turn the condom inside out because they're rationing for war. You ever took a dick in a victory garden?
Yo, just tell me one thing. Was I a good leg?
D-Day, that was just Thursday for me. All right. Shout out to your slutty Nana.
Yo, shout out to public school for having motherfuckers be like a day that will live in infamy over
That's
the
what we
PM.
don't know shit. We don't know how to balance checkbooks.
No.
We don't know anything about like
I know-
slavery. So
I
you gotta
know-
know everything about D-Day.
Yeah,
And
Pearl
then
Harbor.
We know about D-Day and Pearl Harbor, but what we know is not how it actually went down.
Yeah, nah.
They just cook, they say where they're gonna cook Donald Trump's presidency. They're gonna like make it some like kids are not gonna know this shit was like because this shit right now is some right now. If every presidency was an airline, Donald Trump is the Southwest of presidencies.
Absolutely.
Okay, this shit is ratchet as fuck.
I will go as far as to say he is the Spirit Airlines.
Listen, fucking cockpit door didn't even close. Shit flapping while in the air.
Are you, sir? Are you available to sit in the exit row? That means you have to hold the door closed the entire
I'm
flight.
like the whole flight 4 hours. You just take your seatbelt and wrap it around the shit.
Just tied to your arm and shit. You fall asleep, like use your body weight to hold
Spirit's the only airline airline, like the pilot come out and do stretches. You're like, who the fuck is flying the plane?
They're gonna catch. They
Like, my shit cramping up like a motherfucker.
God damn.
Yo, y'all got ginger ale? I need some potassium. Plane just going down and shit. Like, I'll be back.
Yo.
Oh,
they
shit.
call that shit spirit because you catch the Holy Spirit, nigga. When that shit hit turbulence, you're like, oh shit, we about to die.
Go out the cockpit. I'm trying to get a signal for my ways because, yo.
This nigga made a wrong turn at Astoria.
Yo, who here knows LaGuardia? What is that?
Damn.
That's it. That's where it says we're landing, so fuck it.
Fuck it, me.
Shit.
Yo, niggas using the next don't chirp the radio into the tower like,
You're coming in.
Coming in hot, baby.
Coming in hot.
I don't know who you got down there. Get the nigga with the sticks.
The niggas call the fucking niggas call the flight people and just like, yo, I'm number 10 in line. I'm saying, what's up? I know my man Michael. He can't like put the word in.
You know what I'm saying?
Let me get in for number 3 though.
yeah, he's promoting for the Delta Lounge tonight. You know what I'm
Sprint
saying?
will completely cut off the other, like, you know when you're in a parking lot, it's like someone steals your parking spot. It's still, like, as the next plane's about to come through, they're like, skirt. Excuse you.
Sorry, doggy dog.
Excuse you.
Yeah, sorry.
Other plane got to fly by. What the fuck?
I had my blinker on.
You should have seen me coming there. The other pilot just looking straight ahead, does not make eye contact with the other pilot, like, just taxi to the gate. How you feel?
Shout out to passive aggressive parking lot fights, standoffs for a parking lot spot.
And that's the only ones that's the best ones. That's the best parking lot. Because where else do you get into an interaction with a human that you know there's a good chance it could end in a fight?
Yo,
A parking lot fight.
Yo, that Costco at fucking what do you call it? What's the shit with Michaels and BJ's and fucking is in Yonkers? Fuck! What's the name of that shit? Something.
Not Cross County.
Not Cross County. The other shit. It's like
not Rich Hill, not Palisades, not Galleria, not Gallery.
Oh fuck!
Finish the story.
Oh fucking shit! Damn. I got into a wild tense standoff with a motherfucker for a BJ. Yo, because BJ's parking spots are serious because it's like, yo, you coming out with like 80 bottles of apple juice.
That's true.
So it's like, yo, I'm not trying to walk a quarter mile with 80 bottles of apple juice in my fucking thing. And
He's got 5 gallons of mayo. It's like, volunteer car. Like, all right. Hold on, I got 4 more of these coming.
Fam, I'm waiting for homie. I'm like, yo, you leaving? He's like, yeah, I'm leaving. He's packing up his car. I put my blinker on. Homie packs out, and homie comes in with the Jetta and starts to pull in. I start to pull in, and we're like diagonally in the same spot. And I'm like, yo, I turn around and I was like, yo, this is my motherfucking spot. And the nigga was just like, okay. Did he hit reverse? Just like that.
And that day, Mero was banned from BJ's.
Yo.
Wait, BJ's is the one that got the OD security and they like check to see if you're the actual owner of the car?
They do. It depends on which one it is. Like the one I was talking about that's in Yonkers, niggas just, you can show them your Metro card and niggas let you in.
Oh, man. I forgot which one I went to and like I had to keep getting diapers and shit for my nephew. And every time I came in, I had to show the ID again. I was like, am I trying to steal like fucking 10 pounds of syrup? Like, relax, man.
Come on. I don't need 3 gallons of Aunt
First of all,
Jemima.
the store don't make no goddamn sense. In the front, you got flat screen TVs, caskets, and tires.
What is going on here?
Like, what's the sense? What's the science here? Oh, you know what? I really want to see the World Series on a big screen, but also I might die. So
I might die, so let me get this coffin.
Get a couple of these.
Oh, shit. By the way, let me get this cooler.
Oh, shit. Jeans with no name on them, and I just buy them in bulk right here?
Oh, shit.
Okay, cool.
Kirkland signature jeans? Let's get it.
Oh, wow. Charlemagne's first book. Okay. It's just like, what the fuck? Like,
Shit is right next to a fucking Nautica half zip. Oh, well, I can get my Nautica half
I'm
zip
like, wait,
in
y'all
Charlemagne's
only
book.
selling one book? Just this book? They're like, we got that in the Bible. I'm like, all right, well,
All right,
fuck it.
cool. Fuck it. Let's get it.
Oh, shit. They're like, sir, are you leaving without buying a sewing machine? I'm like, oh, wow.
Oh,
Now that you mention it.
Now that you mention it, I think I need one. Yeah,
I need one, yeah.
Yeah.
BJ's, that's what's wrong with America. We think we need like all this. Nobody needs
need
that much.
all that
like maybe
shit.
you, because you got mad kids and shit.
Yeah.
But then even the stuff they sell is not like, come on.
It's impractical. There's some stuff that you got to buy in bulk that like I did the math and shit. And like if you buy eggs and milk at BJ's,
Yeah.
like it's worth the price of the membership. But there's some shit. It's like, nigga, you don't need to buy peanut butter at BJ's because they give you the fucking wild
huge
5-gallon 2 and like they wrapped in plastic 2 of them like twin pack.
if you cooking for Rikers Island,
Yeah.
then you get that.
Then you get that shit.
If you could put your whole hand in a jar of peanut butter, it's too big.
It's just too big.
Like,
yeah,
you don't,
nah,
everybody
fam.
need that much peanut butter. for the
Fam,
man.
I don't need a gallon of chocolate syrup.
Like, come on.
Like, I do not
That's
need
like
that.
if you run a restaurant or some shit. You
Fam,
can't just have that
come
in your
on, B.
And then if you do have it in your house, you're like, oh, I saved money. Now when you try to use that gallon of chocolate syrup and you try to tilt it and now like half of it's on the floor,
Yep.
it's covered with whatever ice cream you're trying to put on. It's failure. I speak from experience. My father bought cinnamon in bulk.
Yo.
I don't want, nah, listen.
Oh, is that a West Indian thing of a mommy? Somebody shit that was like this big. I'm like, Mom, can you just have like a little cinnamon shaker for like my coffee and shit? Like,
Do you understand? My generation, the next generation, the generation after us will have cinnamon. Because no one uses that much cinnamon. And then he has it like in the little area for like disasters. So if there's like a hurricane, we're just gonna have cinnamon sandwiches.
yo.
Niggas purifying their water with cinnamon.
Niggas doing the cinnamon challenge for real, nigga. Survival.
Cinnamon.
Yo.
But he says you can never have too much cinnamon. So.
Yo, why? I'm like, yo, there's a regular cinnamon. Mom, you don't need this much cinnamon.
You know what?
No.
I'm gonna keep it funky. I don't think I ever use cinnamon. Like it might be the cinnamon toast crunch maybe, but
Like,
I'm
I'm not putting extra cinnamon on it.
That's some fat
like,
shit.
It comes with
You
cinnamon.
guys got cinnamon on a bowl, like
Yo, come on. And you just put extra cinnamon and sugar on the shit? Nah, you do too much.
cinnamon.
You trying to lose a limb. Like, yo, nah.
Remember, diabetes can't spell it without dia, and that means day.
Oh my God. We just up here fucking shooting around. Be like
Free throws.
You know what I'm saying? This shit is
Right here.
life.
We're just doing.
Woo.
It's just like LeBron his first game back with the Lakers. Everyone's amped. Everyone's a Lakers fan now.
Yeah, oh God.
Everybody's a Lakers fan now.
Oh,
How's it feel to be a dick rider?
Yeah.
How's it feel to just hop from team to team to team?
How? We don't know about that.
That's how your father raised you?
Yeah? That's how you face that? Yeah. He must be ashamed.
Couldn't be me.
Couldn't be me.
Couldn't be me.
Yeah, nah.
I got my one team. I'm gonna die by it.
Yeah. Last week was Jersey Day at school for two of my kids. You know what they wore? Knicks jerseys,
You know what it
motherfucker.
is.
Knicks jerseys,
What do you
motherfucker.
think the Knicks record gonna be this year? I'm thinking 30.
Are we doing Knicks Coke or are we doing realistic?
Realistic and a Knicks Coke.
Realistic, I say 32.
Okay.
Knicks Coke, I say 58.
Yeah, I like that. I like that. I like the cut of that jib.
Knicks Coke got me at 58 wins, third seed. You know what I'm saying? We'd be Boston in 4.
And somehow LeBron ends up on our team as well. Anything is possible.
Kevin Durant just comes jogging out the back like, yo, I'm here to save y'all niggas and score 70 in one quarter.
I don't even need a contract. I'm just playing for free.
I'm just playing for free.
Oh man.
just give me an Uber back to the crib.
I'm like, I got you, Katie. I got you, Katie. But
That's
yes.
what they talk about. Yeah, like KD, Kyrie, Paul George, I believe.
What, coming to the Knicks?
Yeah, no, there's like a 2019 is going to be that of
They're
all
gonna be
these
free
like
agents.
superstars are going to be free agents. So
Anything's possible.
you know what I'm saying? Anything is possible.
Just gotta have a little hope. That's all. The same thing that devastates you about being a Knicks fan. A little bit of hope.
Yeah.
Right now, it's
Yeah.
still good.
Yeah.
All right.
But like, yeah, like
It's gonna hurt your heart when it's gonna be like 6 games in, and the Knicks are down by 4 with, I want to say 20 seconds left, and they start doing that tit tat foul bullshit.
shit. You're like, man, you got like half a warm beer left. You're just like,
And you was talking real spicy on Twitter for the first 3 quarters, and now you're just like tweeting about what's going on tomorrow.
yo,
What's the weather like?
Yo, spring pitchers and catchers report.
Wow, I
in
can't
a
wait for
month, yo.
Can't wait for Yankees baseball.
Is that a plane flying inside a building?
I hope that's a plane. What if that was like a dragon? What if we left here and there's a dragon outside?
Yo,
I'll
be like, yo, like this elf for me, my G.
Was that? Wait, in medieval times, people were afraid of dragons. People thought dragons existed.
They existed.
That was
with
a wild time.
no proof whatsoever.
People thought dragons existed and didn't bathe.
Imagine living in an era where a nigga will bring you a picture that he drew of something and be like, yo, this shit exists.
When you put it like that,
look at this. It's called the dragon, my nigga. It breathes fire, B. This shit could kill you, B. It's like
all right. When you put it like that, then it doesn't sound. But if someone comes running full speed to you, it's like, yo, a dragon's coming. A dragon's coming. You're like, what the fuck?
What the fuck you talking about?
You go to ye old Google, which is like one manuscript. You're like, a dragon? Oh, shit.
Oh, shit. What the fuck? Oh, shit. Yo, let me call Johannesburg, nigga. We got to print more copies of this shit.
Oh, man. Like said Johannesburg. It's Gutenberg.
Johannesburg.
My God. Show some respect for the first press.
Gutenberg. Every time I think of him, I think of Steve Gutenberg.
He's got the rack. He's like, hey, I got printed text, guys.
Hey, guys. I printed text. I was a star in the 80s.
Oh, man. All right. Well, it's been fun, y'all. This has been episode 131.
Excitement. Full of excitement. And
Live from Milk Studios. We're still working out the kinks here, but it's just going to be a bigger, better show. We got the visual component.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? We have special guests. We got the intimacy. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Listen, the most powerful podcast in the world, most wonderful, most illustrious brand in the world is just leveling up, baby.
Oh, my God. It's so beautiful. We got the brand team in the building.
It's going to be, listen.
Oh, my God.
Y'all not ready.
Fam. And like I said, every time, if you see Hasan and Saint's name on a flyer, bro, just pull up.
Just pull up. You know what it is.
You won't regret it.
Bodega Boys in the building. Episode 131. We out.
Yeah.
Holla.